Hey guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. But actually, Layla's YouTube channel too. But I did not want Layla to be in this YouTube video because I did not want her to know about what I'm doing. And it's like, this video is like about slime. It's going to be really short. And why I didn't want Layla to be in this video is because every time I get new slime or like I have slime, she always wants to play with it, and I don't want her to play with it because she always, every time she plays with it, she gets it on my carpet or she makes a mess. One time she spilled nail polish on my chair, on my black chair that I'm sitting on now, and it's really gross. Sorry about that. She makes a lot of messes, and it's really annoying, and she's banging on my door now. But let's get right into this video. Let's go. So I have this Nickelodeon slime right here. It's Nickelodeon slime pre-made tropical punch, and it is blue. And right now I am sitting at my little vanity here with my little thing that I'm gonna put the slime on. And so, yeah, let's turn the camera back around. And so, also, in this slime, it's like these little things. It's like these little pom-poms and little lemon things. Like the lemon little, I don't know what to call them, like the decorations. Lemon decorations are all on the bottom and stuff. And then I have these pom-poms, these red pom-poms on the bottom. You can also see. And then I have like these square little sponges. I don't know what you call them. And you probably have slime like this that you made or something. I didn't make this though. A couple of days ago I was cleaning my room with my mom. She was also helping me. Thanks, Mom, by the way. Yeah, a couple of days ago I was cleaning a room with my mom and I found this. And so yeah, basically. So let's get into the video. Let's go. Back. So I'm just going to be taking the little things out. Not all of them, just a few of them. So I'm going to take a little bit of slime out and put it inside the cap. And then it's just going to settle in. So first decoration or whatever it's in the slime is we're going to do this little, not the pom-pom, the sponge thing. So I'm going to try my best to take all the slime as I can off of it. So here it is. I don't know if you can see it that well with the lighting or without. I think that's good. Like this little pom-pom thing. No, not the pom-pom, a little square thing. And I can also break it like I just did. And I'm just gonna put it back together because I just like unwrapped it today. And I'm just gonna put that back. Next is the red pom. So I'm gonna try my best to take all the slime off of it and show you guys. So I just took as much as I could off of it, and it is this little tiny pom-pom. So I'm just gonna lay everything out here so that I can turn the camera around and show you guys when I'm done. So yeah, put this back together, sorry. And I haven't been making that many videos either. Like, I don't know why I haven't. But since we moved to Delaware, which was maybe 2 years ago, I haven't been making... Oh, it's all the way down there. Okay, got it. And that one has a lot of slime on it. So I'm going to just put this slime back inside the container and take as much slime as I can off of it. So I'm gonna start doing way more videos of like when I go out to the mall and stuff. And every time I go out, I'm gonna film with you. So, hold on, I'm just gonna lay this out here. And it is slime on my hands, of course. Slime is really messy, especially when it's sticky. I'll put like the thing here. So first, we have this, I zoomed in so much. First, we have this lemon piece. It still has a little Sorry, my big finger's in the way. I zoomed in. First we have this little lemon thing. And then after that, we have this cube thing. It's really squishy. And then last but not least, we have this red pom-pom. Then all three of them are here. And that was it of the, and that's all the decorations in slime. Put all these back. And now we're just gonna be mixing, not mixing. We're just gonna be I'm just gonna be playing with it. And if I didn't mention already, this video is not gonna be long. It's gonna be 10 minutes and under. So yeah. And this slime is so clear. It's blue, but it's also that kind of, you know what I'm talking about, I think. It's it's a color, but it's also clear. So it's Bleer. This is Bleer. If that makes sense. A couple of days ago, I also got these little squishy things. Oh, this is a good example. These little squishy things, I got them from Walmart. Yup. They're like stress balls and stuff. And I also got this one. And I also got a banana. And guess where it is? In the garbage because someone popped it. Layla. That's why some stuff that I get or I find in my room or whatever, that's why sometimes I don't let her play with it because she makes mistakes a lot. So yeah. Oh snap! Oh no, that's just water. I'm just gonna try to get it out with something. Maybe I'll try to get it out with this. Oh, let's see if this works. So it's all coming on one side. It's all coming on one side, and I'm trying to get it all out. And you won't believe how many times I had to do this video. So many. Because Layla kept trying to call me on my mom's work phone. And every time she tried to call me, it stopped the video. If I answered or if I didn't answer. It stopped the video either way. Oh, slack. Okay, so I'm going to spread that out because it just got unspread. Thank you, comb. And yeah. Oh snap, this is exactly what I did not want to happen. Look. See how it's all stuck now? But, oh, see? Now it's I have to flatten it out. Okay, so it's okay. But as long as you work fast with slime, it gets the job done. Also, slime can come in handy, if you know what I mean. I saw this YouTube video, and everything on YouTube is fake. It's not real, but this was real because I believe sometimes it's sticky. As long as you get sticky, if you have a sticky, a dirty keyboard or whatever, that's not me. But back to the point, if you have a dirty keyboard, you can get some sticky, not too sticky, but this texture of sticky. Dap it on the keyboard, and then it'll get all the dirt out and throw the slime away after. Oh, jeez. If you're wondering why I looked on the floor, why I'm looking on the floor is because I don't know. And so this video was about 10 minutes long. I'm gonna put this slime away, and I'm gonna let Layla finally have my room. End of this video. By the way, thank you so much for watching. Make sure you leave a big fat thumbs up, turn your notifications on, and subscribe. And that's pretty much it. Thank you guys for watching.